Diborane. Preparation of diborane. Diborane can be prepared by the action of metal hydride with boron. This is used for the industrial production. So here diborane B2H6 can be obtained in small quantities by the reaction of sodium borohydride with iodine in dimethyl glyoxime. So sodium borohydride with iodine, you get diborane with NaI, that is sodium iodide and hydrogen. On heating magnesium boride with 12 HCl, 6 MgCl2 with B4H10, another borane is formed with H2. B4H10 plus H2 gives 2 moles of borane, diborane. Properties of diborane. Borane are colorless, diamagnetic. So what do you mean by diamagnetic? No unpaired electrons. Okay, diamagnetic compounds with low thermal stability. Diborane is a gas at room temperature with sweet smell, and it is extremely toxic. It is also highly reactive. So you can see at different temperatures, higher boranes are formed, liberating hydrogen. You can see all these. So 5B2H6 in a U-tube 388 Kelvin gives 2B5H11. 2B2H6 gives B4H10. 5B2H6 at 373 Kelvin B10H14 in a sealed tube. 5 moles of borane at 473 to 573 Kelvin gives B5H9. 10 borane molecules at 523 Kelvin gives B5H9 plus B5H10. Borane with red hot gives direct boron. Okay, and 3 hydrogen. In all the cases, the byproduct is hydrogen. Action of air. At room temperature, pure diborane does not react with air or oxygen, but with impure form it gives boron trioxide. So put an important mark for this. B2H6 plus 3O2 gives B2O3 plus 3H2O. So can you see amount of heat liberated minus indradnala, it should be exothermic heat is given out. So 2165 kilojoule per mole of heat is given out. Diborane with methyl alcohol gives tetramethyl borate. போரானோட வேலன்சி வந்து 3, அதனால் எப்போவுமே இது ட்ரை காம்பவுண்ட் தான் ஃபார்ம் ஆகும். ஸோ போரேன் வித் 6 moles ஆஃப் methyl alcohol gives trimethoxy borane or trimethyl borate. Hydroboration. So இது hydroboration வந்து நம்ம we will learn in organic chemistry also. So it reacts, this diborane reacts with alkenes and alkynes, double bonded, the multiple bonded compounds oda in the presence of ether at room temperature. So this reaction is called hydroboration and highly used in synthetic organic chemistry. Synthetic organic chemistry and another chemistry where synthesis of many other compounds will happen. So especially for anti-Markovnikov addition. So Markovnikov addition another, the negative part of the addendum adds to the carbon having lesser number of hydrogen. Up anti-Markovnik na, the negative part will add to the hydrogen having carbon having more hydrogen. So borane here reacts with a double bonded compound and it forms a compound like this, B CH2 single bond CH2R thrice. So I told you the valency of boron is 3, so it forms tri compound with 6H2O. Reaction with ionic hydrides. See lithium hydride and sodium hydride in ether and in dimethyl glyoxime it gives lithium borohydride and sodium borohydride. Both of these are very good reducing agents. Reaction with ammonia. When treated with excess ammonia at low temperature, diborane gives diborane diammoniate. On heating to higher temperature, it gives borosol, which is similar like benzene. So see here, this is diborane ammoniate, B3B2H6.2H3, or you can write it like this, 3 moles of BH2NH3 twice plus BH4 minus. Then borane with ammonia at high temperature in closed vessel gives borazole or borazine, inorganic benzene. Can you see the structure? 1, 1, 2, 3. That is இல்லைனா போரான் வந்து ஆர்த்தோ அண்ட் பேரா பொசிஷனில் இருக்குது. கேன் யூ சி 1, 2, 3. ஓகே, நைட்ரஜன் ஆல்டர்னேட் பொசிஷன் எடுத்து எவ்ரிதிங் இஸ் ஆக்கியபைட் பை ஹைட்ரஜன். Structure of diborane.